All right. Hello, teachers. Here I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to put some of these really cool Bitmoji resources into your Google Classroom. So I have this little AR reading library, and I also have my Bitmoji office here on this other tab. And so what I want to do is get them into my Google Classroom. And so here I am on my classwork tab. I've already created these topics of agenda, class resources, and then I've started my subjects. And so what I want to do is go to my Bitmoji office, and then I'm going to choose File, and then I'm going to scroll down here. Get rid of this. And I want to choose Publish to the Web. And then it's going to give me this link here. And so I'm just going to copy this link, take it back to my Google Classroom. I'm going to create a material. I'm going to give it a name. So this is my classroom. And now I'm going to add a link. And we want to choose a link because we have a web address. And so we're going to go ahead and paste that in there, add link. And here it is showing down here, a little preview. And then topic, I want to stick this under the agenda heading. And then I'm going to click post. All right, so there it is under my agenda heading. And we can go ahead and open it up. And so what using the publish to the web feature does is it opens it up in this way for students when they click on it. And so it acts just like a web page. All your hyperlinks are live. You can see the little finger, clicker shows up when I hover over a live hyperlink. So I could do that same thing with my AR library, and it would open the same way. But I just want to show you the difference in what happens if you load it into Google Classroom as a material. So let's go ahead and try that. Create a material, and we're going to call this AR Reading Room. And we're going to click Add. And then we're going to choose from Google Drive. It just happens to be one of my recent ones. And so we're going to go ahead and select that. Get rid of this and click Insert. And so you can see it attached my slide to this, and I'm going to go ahead and stick this under class resources. So there's some organization for my students, and then a post. And I'll show you the difference in what it looks like when you post this as your Bitmojis as a slide as opposed to publish to the web. So if we click on it this way, students are going to open it, and then it's going to show up as a regular Google slideshow would. And so the little bit of hiccup that I would anticipate, and it doesn't make things impossible because you can definitely teach your students to work around this, is in order to interact with the hyperlinks in this document, they're really going to have to probably press the present button to be able to easily navigate. And so it's kind of taking a second to load here, but hopefully it'll get loaded for us. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click the present button. And it's going to look really similar to the way that our little Bitmoji classroom did. When you publish this way, it'll look a lot like a web page as opposed to, man, we're taking a long time to load. I apologize. But you can